Hello, today we will guide you through how to change currency settings in ProjectionLab. In the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly where to go and what to click, so your plan shows amounts in the currency you prefer. Start by opening your web browser and heading to app.projectionlab.com. Sign in if prompted so you land on your dashboard. The interface can look slightly different depending on your screen size, but the navigation and labels are the same. From the main workspace, look for the section called Current Finances. Select it to open the area where your personal profile and baseline settings live. This is where ProjectionLab keeps key details that influence how numbers appear across your plan. Inside Current Finances, find and open the About You panel. Here you can adjust high-level preferences for your profile, including the currency used throughout the app. In the About You panel, locate the field that shows your current currency. If your account is new, it may display US dollar by default. Click that field to bring up the currency options. You'll now see the currency selector. Click into the currency control to expand the full list. Scroll, or use the search box if it's available, to find the currency you want to use. When choosing, pay attention to the symbol and the three-letter code so you pick the right one for your region. For example, some currencies share similar names but have different codes and symbols. Click your desired option to select it. Once selected, the field will update to display your choice. Take a moment to review that everything looks right before you finalize the change. If your plan includes budgets or projections, switching the currency will change how those amounts are displayed, but it will not alter your underlying assumptions, only the units shown. When you're satisfied, look for the Save button in this panel. Click Save to confirm and apply the new currency setting. Saving ensures the change is reflected consistently across your current finances, reports, and future projections. After saving, give the page a second to update, then browse a few areas, like income, expenses, and charts, to confirm you see the correct symbol and formatting. If something doesn't look right, return to About You, reopen the currency selector, and choose a different option, then save again. That's it. You've successfully changed the currency settings in ProjectionLab.